to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nini. Happy birthday to you. Okay, blow it out.
Blow your candle out.
Blow it out.
Oh, good. Blow
Then
it.
you touch it.
Yay!
Yay! Can Eddie have a turn now?
Sure.
Okay, let's light the candle. Let's see what happened. Okay, it's Nini's turn. Come here, Nini.
Daddy has it, honey. Daddy has it.
Here, hold it. Happy birthday. Oh, you have to light it again. Okay, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Nini. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Let's do it again.